is up to speed on this.
Another large division's been mobilized north of the DMZ. That's 80,000 troops and counting.
And another 1 million in reserve.
Moon's father won't let this turn into a war.
General Moon's under arrest. The hardliners staged a coup last night.
The fact remains that you deliberately misled me by implicating Bond. You told us about your agent in the Cuban clinic.
She'd be dead already. Your mole would have made sure of that.
We wouldn't have had a mole at all if you'd disclosed the fact that Miss Frost and Moon were on the Harvard fencing team together. Knowing who to trust is everything in this business.
Well, well. James Bond. Just in time for the fireworks.
Let's get down to business.
We're at DEF CON 2. And if the North goes south, they're gonna go south big time. You don't just stroll through the world's biggest minefield.
You need some kind of an edge. Icarus.
We're taking care of that with an ASAT launch in 1 hour.
Where's Graves?
In the middle of a North Korean air base.
They're right where we can't touch him.
You can't. But I can.
Look, we're here in case things escalate, not to make sure that they do. No incursions into the North. The President gave me a direct order.
And when did that ever stop you?
Will you make your own decision? I'm sending in 007.
You think I'd leave this in the hands of the British? You go with him.
Approaching jump zone! Okay, let's go!
They've entered North Korean airspace.
Relax, Robinson. If our radar can't see those switchblades, the North Koreans sure as hell can't.
Hey, boss. They launched against Icarus.
Leave it on automatic.
I hope nobody here is superstitious. That's one big mirror we're about to break.
Mobilize the South Korean troops. And give me the president, now.
Still no news of Bond?
Vehicles. Some big shots. It's him.
300 meters.
Windage, 1.5.
We gotta get on that plane.
You. Have my father brought down.